In the heart of Sparkle Valley, there was always something magical happening. Today, the valley was alive with the sweet sounds of music. The birds were singing, the wind was whistling through the trees, and somewhere nearby, there was the gentle strum of a guitar. Sparkle the fairy, with her shimmering wings, flew gracefully through the valley, listening to the beautiful melodies. She loved music more than anything else and believed that music had a special kind of magic. It could make you feel happy, help you dance, and even tell stories without any words. One bright morning, Sparkle decided to share the magic of music with her friends. She flew down to the center of Sparkle Valley, where all the children loved to gather. Today was going to be a special day because Sparkle had planned something truly magical. Good morning, everyone. Sparkle greeted the children with a big smile. Today, we're going to discover the magic of music. The children cheered with excitement. They couldn't wait to see what Sparkle had in store for them. Sparkle waved her wand, and suddenly, a variety of musical instruments appeared before the children's eyes. There were guitars, drums, flutes, and even a shiny trumpet. Music comes from all sorts of instruments, Sparkle explained. Each one has its own special sound, and together, they can create a magical symphony. First, Sparkle picked up the guitar. She strummed the strings, and a warm, rich sound filled the air. "This is a guitar," she said. "It makes beautiful sounds when you pluck or strum its strings." Next, Sparkle tapped on a drum. The drum made a deep, booming sound. "And this is a drum," she continued. "Drums keep the beat and make everyone want to dance." Then, she picked up a small, silver flute. As she blew into it, a soft and sweet tune floated through the valley. "This is a flute," Sparkle said. "It's like the wind, making music with just a gentle breath." Finally, she held up the trumpet. It gleamed in the sunlight. When Sparkle pressed the buttons and blew into it, a bold and bright sound echoed across the valley. "And this is a trumpet. It's loud and proud, and it can play exciting melodies." The children were amazed at all the different sounds. But Sparkle had one more surprise for them. "Would you like to make your very own musical instrument?" she asked. The children shouted, "Yes, please." Sparkle smiled and said, "Today, we're going to make our own maracas. They're fun, easy to make, and sound wonderful." Sparkle led the children to a big table where they found all the supplies they needed: some empty plastic bottles, a bag of dried beans, colorful paper, and glue. First, Sparkle instructed, "Take your empty bottle and fill it halfway with dried beans." The children eagerly filled their bottles, listening to the beans rattle inside. "Next, we're going to decorate our maracas," Sparkle continued. The children wrapped their bottles in bright, colorful paper and used the glue to add sparkles, stickers, and ribbons. Finally, Sparkle showed them how to put the caps back on their bottles and give them a shake. "And just like that," Sparkle said, "you have your very own maracas." The children shook their maracas, and the valley was soon filled with the happy sound of rattling beans. They danced and laughed, feeling the magic of music in every shake. Sparkle joined in, playing the guitar while the children played their maracas. Together, they created a joyful tune that filled Sparkle Valley with happiness. As the day came to an end, Sparkle gathered the children around. "Remember," she said, "the magic of music is all around us. It's in the instruments we play, the songs we sing, and even in the sounds of nature. Whenever you need a little joy or want to share a special moment with friends, just make some music." The children hugged Sparkle and thanked her for the wonderful day. They couldn't wait to go home and share their new musical instruments with their families. And so, the magic of music continued to fill Sparkle Valley, bringing smiles and happiness to everyone who heard it. Thanks for joining us on this musical journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more magical adventures with Sparkle the Fairy. See you next time.